how to fix GCash login problem. So if you want to fix GCash login problem, then you just need to first open up your GCash and try to log into your account. But if you're not being able to log into your account on your GCash, then what you need to do is check your internet connection and go for your Play Store. Once you're on the Play Store, go for the search, which is on the upper side, and search for GCash. Once you've searched here, you will have the application, right? So if you have an updated option instead of this open option, then you just need to go for update and update your application. But if you don't have the update, then you can simply go back and you can search for GCash, tap and hold on to that application, go for the app info. Under app info, go for storage and cache, and here you need to clear your cache and clear your storage. You need to do both of that, and once you've done, now you need to go back and tap on force stop, which is right beside the uninstall option. So I've already done all of that. So tap on force stop, and then you need to force stop the application and then clear the cache and clear the storage. And once you've done all of that, now you need to go back and you need to restart your device. Simply press and hold on to that power button, and here you will have restart option, restart your device, and once you've restarted, your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix GCash login problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.